Hello guys, welcome back to the Payment Guide YouTube channel. If you are trying to send or receive international wire transfers through HSBC Thailand, you know you can't get anywhere without a valid SWIFT code. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the exact, step-by-step process to get the correct SWIFT code for the Hongkong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, Thailand, in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch this video all the way until the end without skipping any part, so you don't miss out on the key bank details you'll need later. Before we dive into the steps, if you're new to the channel, take a brief second to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss out on our latest informative videos and payment guides. Alright, let's get started. First things first. I have provided a direct tool link right down in the description box below this video. Go ahead and click that link, and it will bring you directly to the official Finder page you see right here on my screen. Once you're on this page, you'll notice 4 distinct boxes designed to filter the information. Let's fill them out together. Box number 1. This is to select your country. In this box you have to select Thailand. So, just click the drop-down, scroll down, and select Thailand. Box number 2. Next up is the bank selection. Click into this box, type or search for HSBC, or the Hongkong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, and select it from the list. Box number 3. Once you choose the bank, the third box will instantly unlock and enable. This box is for the city. Since HSBC's primary hub here is in the capital, we are going to go ahead and select Bangkok. Box number 4. Finally, we come to the fourth box, which is specifically for the SWIFT code selection. Now, look closely. As soon as we click into this final box, the system processes our request and brings up the exact SWIFT code. Right here on the screen, you can see the official SWIFT code displayed clearly. If you look just below it under the Key Information tab, the system displays the code a second time to ensure you can copy it perfectly without any typos. Along with the code, it provides you with the verified, legal bank name, the Hongkong and Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited, as well as the full corporate branch address. This ensures your international funds get routed to the exact right place safely. And that is exactly how simple it is. That is the fastest, safest method to find the verified SWIFT code for HSBC Thailand. If this video helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might find it useful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about international bank transfers. Thank you so much for watching the Payment Guide channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, and I will see you all in the very next video.